Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This video is going to be a little bit motivational for those people who are really working hard to achieve their goal, to achieve their success. There are many people with different journey, like someone wants to be a data scientist, someone wants to be an entrepreneur, someone wants to start their own business idea. So during this period, they have lots of ups and downs in their life. Sometimes they forget to enjoy their journey. Sometimes they lose the inspiration they have whatever they're doing. And this is super important, guys, to keep your motivation up. Enjoying the journey you started to achieve your goal, to reach your success. So if you are in a journey, if you want to achieve something, you may get a lots of failure. And keeping this failure in your hand, and if you tell like, I can't do that, I don't want to go further in my life, so this is gonna be the worst decision in your life. So instead of keeping that failure in your hand, if you're again starting your life from that position, this is going to be the best decision you will be making. Sometimes people say, Papi, what was your journey? Like, how did you cope up everything? So I always say them, I never get disappointed in my life. So whatever I started in my career, I always try to complete it as much as I can. I always loved my journey. I always enjoyed my journey during that period. So this is super important, guys. If you want to be something in your life, just try to hold your motivation up. Try to enjoy your journey as much as you can. Unless and until you are not able to finish your journey, just keep going. Try to create your own journey memorable so that other people can follow you. Other people can follow your journey. Like how did you start it? What was your journey? And how did you cope up everything? I never worried about my background, what I used to study, what I used to do. So I always focus on my skill development so that I can be a different person from others. I can share my own journey to others so that other people can get inspired from my journey and they can also follow that in their life. So this is super important, guys. So whenever you are doing something, just create your own journey so that people can follow that. Always try to be the best version of you. So unless and until you are not able to build this motivation up, it is going to be super hard for you to achieve your goal. Always try to fight with the failure. Always remember one thing, your journey matters a lot than your goal. So I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, just try to give a like. Try to share this video with your friends and family so that they can also get inspired. So yes, guys, this was all about from my side. I think it's going to help you for those people who really wants to achieve their goal in their life. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.